Now, compute limit at x approaches to 9 for x minus 9 over radical x minus 3. What do we do here? We replace first. Let's replace x by 9, so you get 9 minus 9 over radical 9 minus 3. How much do you get? You get 9 minus 9, which is 0, over radical 9, which is 3, 3 minus 3, which is 0, so you get 0 over 0, which is indeterminate form. So in this case, we have to eliminate the factor that makes the numerator and the denominator zeros. So what do we do here? A short way we can do it for x minus 9, we can factorize it if you know that. Otherwise, we have to do another process. Now, if you know that x minus 9 can be factorized, is going to be equal to radical x minus 3 into radical x plus 3. If you know that, you can do it straightforward over radical x minus 3, and here we have limit as x approaches to 9. We can cancel radical x minus 3, radical x minus 3, then you will be left by radical x plus 3. Now we substitute 9 for x in the radical, you will get radical 9 plus 3, which is equal, radical 9 is 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. If you don't know it, after you substitute x by the value and you get 0 over 0, then you have to eliminate the factor that makes the numerator and denominator 0. So what do we do here? We look at the term that contains radical and we multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate. Like here we have radical x minus 3 multiply up and down by the conjugate of radical x minus 3. So we write limit as x approaches to 9 for x minus 9 over radical x minus 3 multiply by radical x plus 3 over radical x plus 3. So what do we do here? We leave the numerator as it is. Just simplify the denominator. So we write equal limit as x approaches to 9. Now x minus 9 we leave it multiplied by radical x plus 3. And look at the denominator now. We have a minus b times a plus b. What does it give you? It gives you a squared minus b squared, which is radical x squared minus 3 squared. Now simplify more. What do you get? It's equal. We keep the limit as x approaches to 9. Now leave x minus 9 into radical x plus 3 as it is. And simplify the denominator. Radical x squared, squared and radical cancel each other. And here we have minus 3 squared, which is minus 9. Now look, x minus 9, numerator and denominator. So we can cancel them. So you will be left by equals, replace 9 in radical x, you get radical 9 plus 3, which is equal to 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6, and that's it.